Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. But before I do, I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys. I appreciate your support. If you're watching this channel for the very first time and you like this content, please subscribe. If you located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, also, if you're interested in dancing along to the music, I'll post it at the end. Okay, so just click at the, watch till the end, click on the video and let's dance together to make sure you have your steps correct. Okay, so guys, this next dance I'm going to teach you is called BG Heyyy. BG Heyyy. It is a one wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. And here we go. So I'm going to start on this wall here. So this dance starts on 6. Okay, 6 count, which is on the left side. So this is what I mean. So you tap left, left, right, kick, left. Out, behind, behind, step, kick, step. So 6, 7, and 8, and. 6, 7, and 8, and. So the dance starts on 6. 6, 7, and 8, and. Out, left, right, kick, left. Okay? Now, we go into part 1. Part 1, you're going to do all 4 walls. Okay? You're going to do rock up, recover, right, left, right, left, right, back, left, right, left, right, left. We're going to rock out to the side and make a half turn and then a 3/4 turn. So we rock out, recover, right, left, half turn with our right shoulder coming back, right, left, right. You're looking back at the camera. When you do that, I want you to tap on that left, almost like you're putting your blinkers on, okay? Because that left shoulder coming back with a triple step, and we're making left, right, triple, a 3/4 turn. Left, right, triple. So this is how it looks. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8, right 1, 2, half, 3, and 4, tap 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we rock up and recover on the right. Right, left, right, left, right. Then we rock back. Left, right, left, right, left. Then we rock out to the side. We're going to make a half turn. Right, left, right, left, right. With the right shoulder coming back. We tap on the left. We step left, right, left, right, left. So the right shoulder come back, half turn. Then the left shoulder come back, 3/4 turn. What happens is that brings us to our next wall. Part 1, remember I told you we're going to do at all 4 walls. So we're going to do the same thing. Rock up on the right with a triple step. Back on the left, triple step. Rock out to the side, half turn. Tap left, 3/4 turn. Okay? And that brings me to the back wall, and I'll repeat the same thing. Okay? So let's do it again. So this tap out to the left is only to start the dance. 6, 7, and 8, and. 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8, out 1, 2, half, 3, and 4, left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Remember, you got to tap on that left, okay? Now, that's part 1. That's done. You're going to do the same thing at each wall. Rock up. 1, 2, recover. 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out to the side. 1, 2, half, 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, tapping on that left. Now you're looking back at the clock, at the camera. You rock up and recover. Up on that right. 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4, back on the left, recover 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out on the right, 1, 2, half, 3, and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so the first time you do your 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. You stay at this wall. Then you rock out to the side and you turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Half turn, tap left, 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Okay, that brings us back to this wall. All right, so let's put that together with our start. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 6, and 7, and no, 6, 6, 7, and 8, and. So you normally do 5, but you do 6 to start the dance. 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Were you ready? We're going on 6. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, half, 3, and 4, left 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, side 1, 2, half, 3, and 4, left 5, 6, 3/4, 7, and 8, up 1, 2, back 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, out to the side, half turn, 1, 2, 3, and 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, and 8, up 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, half, 3, and 4, left 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 is on your left, finishes on the 8, on the left. And remember, you're tapping on that left, okay? Now, that's part 1. Part 2, we roll back. So we roll back to your right. 1, 2, 3. Now, let me tell you about part 2. Part 2, you're going to do it on the right side and you're going to do it on the left side. All I want you to think about, we're going to do a turn on 4 and 7. And we're turning to the right, okay? Facing the right wall. How does that look? What do I mean? We go to the right, roll back. 1, 2, 3. We turn on 4 to that right wall. And we walk forward, 5, 6, and turn to the right wall on 7. Back to the front and step on 8. Okay, so what did I do? I turned on 4 and 7. And all I'm doing is walking. All right, so I roll back. 1, 2, 3, turn 4. On 4, it's a half turn, back wall. My right foot is going to be 5. My left foot is going to be 6. I'm going to turn back on 7, half turn, and step up on 8. So that walk is all about turning to your right on 4 and 7. Okay? So just watch this. Watch me. I go on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm basically going from the back wall to the front. It's just a walk. Then I roll back, roll out. 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Now I need to go to my left. So I'm a step turn. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so what did I do? I stepped on my left, my right shoulder came forward, half turn, 5, 6. My right heel is up, my left shoulder is going to come forward, half turn, 7, and 8. Okay, so I'm back at my same wall. It's almost like I'm just doing a little rollout. 5, 6, 7, 8. So my right shoulder come forward, step on the left, right shoulder come forward, tap on the right, step on my right, my left shoulder come forward. 7, 8. Okay, so I rolled out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put that together. I roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the first one was a walk. I did like a vine, okay? So let's put that together. This is part 2. Let's do our line with the walk to the back and to the front. And then we roll 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, step, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right shoulder come forward, left shoulder come forward. Again, right shoulder come forward, left shoulder come forward. Half turn. All right, so let's roll out to the right. 1, 2, 3, turn on 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, step turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to turn on 4 and 7 to the left wall. Over here, we did the right wall. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I turn to the left wall. I walk on 5, 6. I turn back on 7 and step up on 8. Then I roll to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to do that steps from turn. So I roll to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to jump to the right. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then starts over. So what did I do? I rolled 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump to the right. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the dance starts over. It's only 2 parts. Okay? So that rollout that you did, you're only going to do that on that side. On this side here, you roll left, right, left, tap, right, jump, right. That's 5, 6, 7, and 8, and the dance starts over. Okay? So let's do the right and the left. Then we'll start the dance over. Start from the top. So we're doing our walk. Remember, you turn on 4 and 7. On the right side, you turn right. On the left side, you turn left. 1, 2, 3, turn 4, walk 5, 6, turn 7, 8, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, step turn 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, turn 4, walk 5, 6, turn 7, 8, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Okay, and the dance starts over. 5. So it ends on 5. The dance ends on 5, and it starts over on 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so let's go from part 1 to part 2. So you do 2 full rotation, and there's a change at the back wall where the dance ends. So instead of the dance ending facing the back wall, we're going to change it up a little bit, and I'm going to show you that part. All right? And it's real simple, okay? So don't get nervous. So let's go from the top on 6, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, 3, and 4, tap 5, 6, 7, and 8, up 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, half, 3, and 4, left 5, 6, 3/4, turn up 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8, half 1, 2, 3, and 4, tap 5, 6, 3/4, turn is 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8, half 1, 2, 3, and 4, 3/4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, walk 1, 2, turn 3, 4, walk 5, 6, turn 7, 8, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, half 5, 6, half 7, 8, left 1, 2, 3, turn 4 and 5, 6, turn 7, 8, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's over again, okay? So you get 2 full rotations. So, at the back wall, when you going 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, the dance will start over. And just when you at the back wall, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. You normally rock 2. You're not going to do that. You're going to go 1, 2, 3. It's going to be at the back wall. I'm just showing you this at this wall here so you can see my footwork. So what I'm showing you is you're not going to finish that third rotation. At the back wall, when you're doing part 1, at all 4 walls, when you get to the back wall, you get to this part, 1, 2, 3, and 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how you look into dance, okay? So, I'm going to explain it to you again. I just want you to get the step. So you go up 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out, cross, back, shoulder come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be a half turn back to the front wall. So, that part I just taught you, you're starting to dance over at the third rotation, right? You're doing part 1, which is at all 4 walls. When you get to the back wall, you're not going to finish part 1 and come back to the front. The song is ending. So at the back wall, you do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and paddle back at the front with your right shoulder coming forward. 5, 6, 7, and 8. End the dance. Okay, she just changes that up. So when you finish the dance, you at the front wall. When you look at the demo, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. Again, the name of that dance is BG Heyyy. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.